This is Samsung Galaxy M14, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser. To start, you will need to make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi. Then at the search bar of Play Store, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you gotta click at the install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively, which does not take a lot of time usually, just about 10 seconds or so. Onwards, you will obviously need to go ahead and launch it. And while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So tap at the continue button, then choose whether you would like to enable notifications for Opera or perhaps set it as your default browser. And then you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.